Good day everyone, good day classmates and Dr. Bandalaria. So here is my report about interactive and visual CSR communication. So interactive and visual communication has become a key strategy for engaging stakeholders and creating lasting impact in corporate social responsibility or CSR efforts. So just like in classrooms, through the use of games, apps, infographics, and visual storytelling, companies can make their CSR messages more engaging, memorable, and effective. So this report explores how businesses are integrating these tools into their CSR communications and highlights key case studies that demonstrate their success. So the first one is the role of games, apps, and infographics in CSR messaging. Number one is games. Games are an increasingly popular method for engaging audiences in CSR initiatives. So by incorporating interactive and enjoyable elements, companies are able to reach wider audiences, particularly younger demographics. So GAIN can turn learning about social and environmental issues into an enjoyable experience while encouraging participation in CSR campaign. So what are the benefits of using games? So first one will be engagement. So game captures attention and promote active involvement. It can also have this behavioral influence. So they can influence positive behavior by motivating users to take action. So for example, by volunteering or donating. The next one is education. So games provide an interactive platform for educating users about important social and environmental issues in a fun and engaging way. The next one to games will be the apps. So mobile applications have become one of the most efficient ways to communicate CSR messages directly to consumers. So apps can provide users with tools to track their contributions, learn about CSR initiatives, or take part in specific challenges or activities related to sustainability or community support. So what are the benefits of using apps? First one will be convenience. So apps offer a direct way to engage users at any time or place. Next one will be the real-time tracking. So apps can track and provide feedback on the progress of CSR activities such as energy savings, recycling efforts, or donation impacts. Next will be personalization. So apps can be tailored to individual users, creating personalized experiences that encourage greater participation. Next to that will be the infographics. So infographics are visual representation of information, data, or knowledge that help simplify complex ideas. So they are an effective way to communicate CSR messages as they combine text and imagery to make the information more accessible, digestible, and shareable. So what are the benefits of using infographics? First one will be clarity. So infographics make complex CSR data easy to understand by breaking it down into digestible and through, for example, visual formats. Next will be the shareability. So infographics are highly shareable on social media platforms, helping CSR messages reach a broader audience. And the last one will be its, of course, visual appeal. So people are more likely to engage with visually appealing content, leading to increased awareness and action. So let's have some case studies, and we have here some examples. And the first one will be the Chipotle's Scarecrow game. So Chipotle's Scarecrow game is a great example of using interactive gaming to promote CSR initiative. So the game launched in 2013 was designed to raise awareness about sustainable farming practices and the importance of sourcing ingredients responsibly. So actually, this Chipotle's Scarecrow game is turned into a movie. So what is the objective of that? So educate players about the consequences of industrial agriculture and promote Chipotle's commitment to ethical sourcing. Next is gameplay. So players take on the role of a scarecrow working to stop harmful farming practices and ensure the crops are grown responsibly. And the last one will be the outcome. So the game was a huge success, generating over 1.5 million downloads and significantly raising awareness about sustainable farming. So the integration of a social media campaign further boosted engagement and visibility. Next to Chipotle's will be the O-Powers Energy Tracking app. So O-Powers Energy Tracking app is another compelling case of using apps to communicate CSR objectives. So the app was designed to help consumers reduce their energy usage by providing insights into their energy consumption pattern. So the objective of that is to promote energy conservation by providing users with real-time feedback on their energy usage and offering tips for education. So for functionality, users could track their energy consumption, compare it to similar households, and receive suggestions for improving energy efficiency. And of course, the outcome will be the outcome is the app helped millions of consumers to reduce their energy consumption and save the household significant amount of energy bills. It also contributed to the company's broader CSR goal of sustainability and reducing the environmental impact of energy use. So for number 3, we have here the power of visual storytelling. So visual storytelling combines imagery, design, and narrative to create a compelling message that resonates with audience. So in the context of CSR, visual storytelling is a powerful tool for evoking emotions, building empathy, and inspiring actions. So why visual storytelling is effective in CSR? So the first one will be, of course, since this is a storytelling, there is this emotional connection. So images, visuals, videos, and graphics are more likely to elicit emotional responses, creating a stronger bond with the audience. So we also have here the memorability, or of course, this is storytelling, so that's why memorability is observed. So people are more likely to remember stories told through visual than through words alone, and it is true within the education. So this makes the message more likely to stick in the minds of viewers. And the next one will be the broad reach. So visual content highly shareable, allowing CSR messages to spread organically on social media platforms. So what are the examples of effective visual storytelling in CSR? So we have here charity campaigns. So many organizations use powerful visuals of individuals in need or communities benefiting from charitable actions to inspire donations and volunteerism. So next will be the sustainability initiatives. So companies that promote environmental sustainability often use before and after visuals of nature or infographics showing the impact of specific action on the environment. So, the integration of interactive tools such as games, apps, and infographics into CSR messaging is a powerful way to engage audiences, raise awareness, and drive positive action. So, case studies like this Chipotle's Scarecrow game and O-Power's Energy Tracking app illustrate how these tools can effectively communicate CSR goals while providing valuable interactive experiences. And additionally, visual storytelling remains as essential component, offering an emotional and memorable way to connect with the audiences and inspire long-lasting impact. And as a digital engagement continues to evolve, businesses must embrace these interactive and visual communication methods to remain effective in their CSR efforts, fostering greater participation and awareness for important causes. Thank you very much, and again, you have a good day.